Hello and welcome to another Heart Moto video. In today's video we're going to take a closer look at another brand new product from Oxford Products, the SnapJack. Okay, so what is the Oxford Products SnapJack? Basically, it's a portable jack aimed at the motorcyclist that has a bike without access to a paddock stand or a centre stand. So this will enable you to lift the rear wheel of your bike to carry out routine maintenance on the drivetrain and cleaning and lubing of your chain. So again, ideal if you're on tour, on a bike, say on a sports bike. It's something you could easily pop underneath your seat of your bike, in your backpack or in your tank bag. So what I should do is I should just put a little insert video of the SnapJack in use, and I shall also play the video in its entirety at the end of this video. So please do check that out. So what do you get in the box? So basically you get a snazzy little carry case for the SnapJack to go in, the jack itself and a split pin. So basically operation is you'd insert this part here into the axle nut, and then you'd push forward like so, and then insert the split pin into the SnapJack. That's then not going to go anywhere. What I'll do is I shall bring the SnapJack closer up to the camera so you can have a closer look at the jack itself and how well it's made and put together. Okay, so hopefully you can see this is the top of the SnapJack. It has a very nice durable plastic coating on the top of the jack, so you'll have no worries of it scratching or damaging wheel nuts or swing arm. So that's the top part of the jack. So the split pin inserts like so through there, very simple. And then at the bottom of the jack you can hopefully see the serrated edges there that will make it very stable into a concrete or tarmac surface. Okay, so let's just go over again what you get with the SnapJack. So you have the little instruction booklet as well, with all the detailed information on how to use the SnapJack. It comes with a Velcro strap as well, so this will enable you to secure the front brake lever. So obviously the bike won't roll away, because normally, you know, lifting the rear wheel off the ground, normally you'd have it left in gear. So there's that, and also you have this rubber pad as well, which you can use to place the foot on like that as well. So that covers everything with the SnapJack that's in the box. So what does it retail at? So it starts at $49.99. As usual, links below to where you can purchase the SnapJack. Going forward, I think it makes a great little product for someone who's, like I say, hasn't access to a paddock stand, you're touring, you're travelling, and you don't have a centre stand. So to me, I think it's a great little addition for the touring motorcyclist. So as always, I hope you found this video of interest and of use. I'll be very grateful for a like and a subscribe. Please do comment in the comment section below, and I hope you can join me again in future videos. Thanks again for watching. Cheerio!